Shocking update on Isaac Sattler's murder. The three suspects Dikeledi Mphela, Khoetsione Machidi and McLaren Muswana have abandoned their bail bid and will remain in custody until further notice. They appeared before the Pretoria Magistrate Court, facing charges of premeditated murder and robbery with aggravating circumstances. The brutal attack on Isaac Sattler, a 22-year-old e-hailing driver, was caught on his dashcam and has gone viral online. He was hijacked and strangled to death by passengers who had requested his service in Pretoria West last week. The footage shows the shocking sequence of events with Sattler fighting for his life before being dragged into the backseat and killed. The suspect's decision to abandon their bail application comes as no surprise, given the overwhelming evidence against them. The police are still searching for a fourth suspect and the investigation is ongoing. Outside the court, prospectors gathered demanding justice for Sattler and calling for harsher punishment for the accused. The community is outraged and Sattler's family is devastated by his loss. The case has sparked national outrage, with many calling for increased safety measures for e-hailing drivers. As the investigation continues, we'll be keeping a close eye on the developments. What do you think about the case, and what measures do you think should be taken to prevent such tragedies in the future?